Today we have a 2006 Subaru Impreza. Overkill, but I like to strike a line for my cam. Customer tipped me $60 to use dollies, even though it's covered. Tips are much appreciated. Perfect. Tire was low, just adding a touch of air. Not needed, but I wanted to double pick for the video. Placing a block under the tire to make the car sit higher, safer for the oil pan. 40 seconds to save $1,000. Worth the investment. Adding safety chains. Control arm. Under and over. Connect. Over, under, and tighten. Make it easier by doing the tire closest to the car first. Because we double-picked, we hold less of the tire when transporting. If you had to stop suddenly, the car is at risk of rolling forward over your machine. So use your wheel blocks or a strap. This side doesn't fit, so to be safe, I'm going to use a strap. Better safe than sorry.
Follow my journey in one of the most underappreciated industries, keeping you safe and getting you home.